Guys, today I'm gonna make very special dish. Alright? Very special dish. Now it's almost summer, right? Almost summer, so now we're gonna go with the barbecue. How you guys like that? Alright, I have here 2 pounds of front steak. Alright, that looks good, guys. What you do is you cut small pieces or make a hole with the knife. Alright, both sides, this side and this side, you guys can see here. Alright, little holes there. Alright, so now we're gonna marinate this. Alright, so you guys ready? Don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, I have here a half cup of parsley. I have a half cup of cilantro. Alright. Okay, I have here 1/3 cup of scallion to give that good flavor, guys. Alright, so I have here half teaspoon of oregano. I have half teaspoon of thyme. Alright, I have here a half stick of butter. Alright, very good to give that good flavor, guys. Alright, I have 1 onion. Right, 1 onion. I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, I love black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, alright. I have here half lime. Okay, juice, very juicy. Alright, I have 6 cloves of garlic, and I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Alright, guys, and I have here also hot sauce. You guys can use any hot sauce you want. Alright, so I use my favorite. So, alright, and it's about 2 pounds of French steak. Right? You guys ready? And that's my blender. Alright, let's start. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's start with this. Parsley. Very good. Cilantro. Alright. That's my cilantro. Very good. This is scallion. Very good. Oregano. This is my thyme. This is my onions. Alright. Very good. It's looking good, guys. The color and the flavors come together. Alright. This is my black pepper. This is my lime juice. This is my garlic. Alright. Very good. It's looking good. Salt. If you guys need more salt, you guys can add it when you eat, right? And I have here my hot sauce. Very good. My hot sauce. I have here my half stick of butter. Alright, very good. Also, I have here my olive oil. Alright, guys, my olive oil, I have 1/3 cup of olive oil. 1/3 cup of. Looking good. So now, let's. Okay, guys, now I have to check here. It's looking good. Looking very good. Right, this is ready. Right, very good. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna just pour everything there. See that? Just to pour everything there, and this is gonna taste delicious, guys. All right. This, the other side. It's a little mess, alright, but it's gonna taste good. So the flavor is gonna come together. Alright, this has to be marinated for overnight. Alright, so the flavor have to penetrate. Alright, it has to be marinated in the refrigerator. Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Now, very good. Okay, guys. I see you later. All right. Hey, guys. Now it's time to check. All right. That's it. Has been overnight marinated. All right. So let's take a look. Oh, looks good. Looking good, guys. All right, here we go. All right, now it's ready to go to the barbecue. All right, good. Smells so good, guys. All right, let's bring to the barbecue. Okay, guys, time to check, right? All right. Very good. It's getting there, all right? It's getting there. Patience, patience. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, time to check, all right? Ooh, that smells so good. So good, guys. Wow. Very good. All right, looking good. Looking good, guys. See you in a little bit. Okay, guys, time to check, right? Ooh, it looks good. Looking good, guys. Looking very good. All right. So, guys, I'm gonna leave here for 2 more minutes. All right, and we'll be done. Hey, guys. All right. Very good. Yes! Hey guys, this is the final. See that? Alright. Very good. Looking good, guys. Alright, but don't be afraid. Okay, guys, let's try this baby, okay? Let you know. Very soft. Wow, look at that. The color. Right, guys, can you see that, the color? Perfect. Perfect. Right? So now, let's try. Let you know. Hey, guys. Tastes fantastic. Fantastic. Let me try another piece. Very good, guys. Soft and tasty. Alright? That's what I call French steak. Alright, guys? Hey, guys, it's easy to make. Alright? It's very easy to make. Try it home. You guys are gonna love it. Alright? You guys have a good weekend.